Hello, my beautiful friends. It's me, Jenny SRP, and we are here today to unbox a brand new box that I've never had before, Degusta Box. This is a groceries food delivery box, and I'm ready to give you the tea on it. So here we have our box. I ordered this box in April and it is now July 15th. I ordered it in April because, like everyone else, there was a little bit of a panic about how we were gonna get groceries. And for me especially, I have a chronic illness with an immune dysfunction, so I already knew I wasn't gonna be able to go to the store very much. And then on top of that, it includes an energy dysfunction, so I can't actually stand outside in line to wait to get into the grocery store. So even if I was like wearing a mask and felt like I had the immune precautions, I wouldn't actually have the energy to stand in line and wait to get in. And I wasn't able to get grocery delivery slots, so I was 100% reliant on my partner to go get everything I needed. So I had a little bit of panic time where I bought a bunch of food stuff online, but I wasn't the only one thinking that way. So many people ordered Degusta Box that they actually had a 3-month backlog. And I paid, let's see how much I paid. Okay, so it's only $7.99. I don't think I got a discount with that. $7.99 for this box. It's just amazing. 8 pounds for all these groceries, and it's now July, and I'm glad I stuck around and waited for it, and I can't wait to see what's inside, so let's open it up. Okay, yeah, so I can confirm I paid $7.99 on April 12th, and it's now July 15th, and I've got my first box. But the customer service was really good. I asked them what was up and what I could do, and if they could assure me that the next box was already paid for. And they did, and hopefully I am now on the month-to-month plan. 8 pounds for this huge box is amazing. I love it when companies print their own packaging. It's so cute. Alright, I might do this quick since it's really loud. I don't want the extra opening noises and stuff. And I'll just pop in with my comments as we get to them. There is so much stuff in this box for $7.99. I don't eat sweets, I don't eat a lot of sugar, so I have like a whole collection, like a box that I'm collecting of all the sweets to either have at a party or give to someone else. But that's so cute. If you love sugary sweeties, that's amazing. That's a huge box. A milk alternative made with pea protein. Okay, one thing I'm not super thrilled about is it has a lot of, not a lot of ingredients, got like 8 ingredients, but it includes a stabilizer, sunflower oil, acidity regulator, tricalcium phosphate, and natural flavorings. So I don't think this is quite as great as like a Root Health coconut or almond drink, but pea protein is a really good source of protein. And I don't mind stabilizers too much, especially since it's the second to last ingredient, and then it's also got fortification with vitamins. So this is cool. I'll definitely try it, give it a go. It has cane sugar and sunflower oil, and I usually get no added sugar ones, but I will try this. I mean, without being able to pop to the shop to get my coconut milk or my, lactose-free whole milk that I use in my coffee, this is a great alternative that I can keep in my fridge for a while to keep me boosted up. pancakes. If anyone has a great gluten-free pancake recipe, let me know. I don't have to eat everything gluten-free, but I do try to use almond or coconut flour for most of my cooking. So if you have a great recipe using those bases, I would love to try it. I also have to try this in coffee. Oh my god! Canadian maple syrup. Ooh, that is a nice big beer. I'm gonna let my partner have this. Despite my 2 craft gin club videos, I've actually been kind of alcohol intolerant since I've had COVID, so I literally have only had a drink when I've filmed those craft gin club videos. So I think actually this is 4%. I think my partner will like this a lot. That's really cool that they include alcohol in this box, and it's still only $7.99. This probably costs £5 all on its own. Very cool. Cheers. Nestle, Nesquik. Wow. I haven't had Nesquik since I was a kid. Wow, it's only got cane sugar, cocoa powder, emulsifier, and natural flavoring with cinnamon. Wow, that'll be really good with my protein shakes probably. Again, it has probably a lot of sugar in it. If you use the recommended amount, it has 13 grams of sugar per glass. But I would probably just use like a little teaspoon for flavoring. That's it! We got through the whole box. That is a really, really cool collection of tasty treats to try and food cupboard like necessities. So there's a little bit too much sugar for my liking, but I think I'll try 1 or 2 more months because groceries are hard to get and my partner can usually eat the things that I can't eat anyway. So having cupboard stockers right now is so good. I don't know about you, but once the pandemic and lockdown hit, you realize really fast how fast you go through your cupboard stores. Like I thought my beans, my like canned beans and my frozen food would last for like at least a few weeks, and they were gone so quick. So having like an additional incoming of cupboard necessities is actually really fabulous. And I like that they have this whole pamphlet with the suggested value of everything. Oh, that beer is only £2. I thought it would at least be £5, but I live in Windsor where everything is more expensive. So I'll actually add all this up and put the price on the screen. It looks like it probably adds up to about £10, so that's neat, but it feels like more than that. Oh, the sweetener in itself is £5, so that's really cool. I love this. I think it's great. I'm really excited to try that chai tea and pace myself with all the other things that have sugar in them. And I've got a whole party tub mix of sweeties to give to somebody. So thank you for joining me for the July Summer Degusta Box, a brand new box that we haven't looked at before. I hope you guys are doing well. I plan to record a COVID update in the next few days. I'm still recovering. I still have ups and downs. You can hear my voice is not like normal. I still have a cough. I cough every day. I have chest tightness and stuff. So I'm gonna record a proper video in the next few days and give you an update on that. I've also got the vegan kind lifestyle box, which is also a snack box. Pajama drama box. I also opened my Love Lula box, so I'm gonna try those things and give you a review. I know it's been a few months since I did Love Lula. I just haven't had the energy to do absolutely every single unboxing, but Love Lula continues to be really one of the best subscriptions for your price in terms of the quality of items you get. So I look forward to sharing those things with you guys soon. You can check out my previous playlists for other things that I've done in the past. I do have a Patreon. If you feel like tipping me, you can do it for as little as $1. But your likes, subscribes, and comments also super help me to keep creating content and to share these videos with other people. So if you like what you see, make sure you share it. Sending you big love. Take care of each other. Bye!